To improve video recording quality on the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8, you can go to the camera, tap on these four dots that we have on the right side, and then tap on this gear icon to open camera settings. Now go to the video section and choose video format. In here we have the HEVC option, and if you tap on that option, you can also choose between the saving space and video quality. You want to make sure that video quality is the priority over here. Besides that, we have the high bitrate videos, which is something that you can also enable to make sure that the video quality is better. The HDR, of course, can be seen as the improvement as well, so of course you want to make sure that it is enabled in here. And keep in mind that if you decide to use or to increase the quality of your videos, at the same time they will take more space, so we need to keep that in mind. Other than that, you should also be able to use, for example, the video stabilization, although it doesn't really improve the quality itself. It helps you stabilize the video, so why not? Why not to use it? Now, besides that, if we go to the video mode in the camera, then of course here we should be able to find the HDR option. So if you want to use the HDR, then this is how we can enable it. And also, of course, we have the resolution selection. So if you want to, if you're looking for the highest resolution possible, then naturally you're looking for Ultra HD with 60 frames per second. And this is, of course, 4K resolution. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.